Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a super useful sticky add to cart bar in Shopify store. This is the type of bar that appears at the bottom of your screen. When you scroll down the product page, it keeps the product title, image, variant and quantity selector and also add to cart button always visible to your user. So guys, let's talk about why it is useful for your Shopify store. So the first point is, when the customer scroll down the page and he forget and your user forget where is add to cart button appears, and this sticky bar solve that problem. It help improve your conversion rate by keeping the purchase option always visible. So guys, the second point is why it is useful for your Shopify store. It's especially useful for your mobile devices or a long product pages where lot of content appears. So this sticky bar always keep your purchase option appear when the user scroll the page. So guys, I discussed about this feature and I told you about this feature, how it works and what is the benefit of this feature. So now let's implement this feature to our store and I'll show you how you can add this feature to your store. First, to add this feature in your Shopify store, the first step is if you're using a live Shopify theme, it's always a good idea to duplicate it first. For duplicate your theme, go to your Shopify admin and your online store, and then you will see your left side themes option. Click the themes option, and then you will see your themes. So click the three dot. You can see here the action button of three dot. Click on three dots and you will see the option here duplicate. So you can duplicate here. I'm using a development store, so I don't need to duplicate. If you're using a live Shopify theme, so first you will duplicate and then make changes. If the changes is fine, then make it live. So as once you have duplicated your theme, again click the three dot and go your edit code option and click here. After clicking, your code editor will open and you will see all the code file here that related to your themes. Guys, now you just have to create a snippet and paste some code. So for creating a snippet, you can see here the snippet folder. Click here and you will see the option of add a new snippet. Click the add a new snippet and you can choose whatever you want to keep your file name. So I'm choosing ecom-bar. So the snippet is created ecom bar and you have to paste here some code. So the code is here in my document. I'll copy this and I'll go to my edit code and I'll paste here code. After pasting the code, click here to save. After creating a snippet and adding this code in your snippet, you have to render this snippet file in your section main product.section file. So find this main product file. To click search here main hyphen product. So you can see here main hyphen product.liquid file appears. So click here. After opening the main hyphen product.liquid file, you can see the code here related to your product page. So the bottom of main hyphen product.liquid file, render the created file. So whatever you named your file, just render here. For rendering the file, this is the tag, and after write the render tag and single quote and your file name. In my case, this is the ecom bar. After render this file in your main hyphen product.liquid, your code is completed. Now you can back in your admin and view your store. So guys, after doing all the code changes and adding the code, you can view your store and click any product of your store. So I'll click this product, and so let's check this feature it's working or not. So for checking this feature, let me scroll down and the slides come up of the sticky bar. So let me scroll. So guys, you can see here the sticky bar is slide up and show here product image, product name, and products variants, quantity selector and add to cart button. and I can change the product variant here. I can change the quantity here, and if I add to cart, the product is add in the cart. You can see here I select the color maroon, size L of the variant, and I change the quantity 4, and I click on add to cart, so this product is in the cart. This feature is working fine and great. So let me scroll this so you can see the again this sticky bar is come up. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe the YouTube channel for more Shopify tips and tutorial. If there are any question or ideas in your mind, drop them in the comment below. I had love to hear from you. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.